Bore da, everyone. Don't know where to start. I'm super excited. So TWSBI came out with two new Eco pens, and they are glow in the dark. And being the person that I am, I was just kind of like, oh my god, they glow in the dark! I'm super excited. So this one came out on Halloween. I ordered these from Right Here Pens in Shrewsbury, and they allowed you to do a pre-order on the Sunday. So I bought these on the Sunday the 30th, and they were shipped on the 31st. And I got them, and I was super excited. And obviously these are the TWSBI Eco cases. They come with this lovely craft paper sleeve, and then the plastic case as well. But obviously when it's in a plastic case in a cardboard sleeve, and you try and get it to glow in the dark, it doesn't work. I've been trying to charge these under a light. So did I need to get both of them? No, I definitely didn't need to get both of them. I have so many fountain pens at the moment. Lots of them are inked up, so I kind of have one of every colour, but I'm a sucker for a gimmick, so I love me a good glow in the dark pen. So this is the TWSBI Eco. I have quite a few TWSBI Diamond 580s, which are slightly bigger, and I went for the medium nib. The reason why I've decided to go for the medium nib is I normally use a fine nib, but I've been so into the are they shimmering? I think it's shimmering inks, but they have mica in them and it ends up clogging up the feed. And so, you know, kind of like I'll be there and I'll be writing and nothing will come out of the pen. Whereas I've swapped over to some medium nibs, and now they write so much better with the shimmering inks. So, sorry, I've got a bit of a cold coming. I purchased both of these with medium nibs because I'm pretty sure that because of my preference for shimmering inks, I'll probably end up using these with shimmering inks. So this is the moment of truth. Have I charged them up enough to actually get them to glow in the dark? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run around my flat and turn off all of the lights and see if you can see them glowing. So I'll be back in a sec. Bye. So I've turned all of the lights off in my flat except for the light on my phone. It's nighttime now. The joys of winter coming up pretty quick means that, you know, kind of it's getting darker and darker earlier and earlier. I am not a fan of winter, I'm not going to lie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the light on my phone. Hello, Tiny. You alright? Sorry, the cat's just jumped onto my lap. Give me a second. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Just move them around a bit. Oh my god! They glow in the dark. I'm so excited. They show up a lot better in person than they appear in this recording. Obviously, my camera phone. Try again. My camera. Hey, Mal. How you doing, handsome? You having fun? Hey, gorgeous. Just destroy everything. It's fine, darling. I love you too. Obviously, my camera is not made for nighttime filming, so, you know, kind of, I'm not exactly expecting it to be able to pick up, you know, kind of amazing nighttime footage, but I'm so excited by these pens and the fact that they do actually glow in the dark. Super excited. As I said, I love me a good gimmick. Mal is really into the filming today. Hey, honey. He doesn't normally come when I'm filming. It's normally Anara that just kind of randomly wanders all over the place. Maybe he thinks it's bedtime. It's probably because he thinks it's bedtime. So yeah, are you a fountain pen geek? Are you a fan of a gimmick, i.e. a glow-in-the-dark pen? Obviously, you know, kind of, these pens are not necessary, and therefore, you know, kind of, we are in the middle of a cost of living crisis. Did I need them? No. Did I want them? Yes. So, you know, kind of, obviously, you know, kind of, I'm in a very privileged position that I can spend disposable income on things like fountain pens and inks and planners and things like that. And posting haul videos like this, I'm sort of feeding into consumerism, and, you know, kind of, I am definitely one of those people where if I see loads of people posting about something that I find really attractive, like a glow-in-the-dark pen, I am the kind of person that would go out and buy it because I've seen so many people talking about it on YouTube. That is who I am. It's not who you have to be. So if you don't need 1,000,001 fountain pens, don't go out and buy these just because, you know, kind of the novelty value. I don't, you know, kind of go out, I don't spend my money on, you know, kind of exciting, extrovertive hobbies. I spend them on fountain pens. So, you know, kind of, whatever you feel is more important for you, you do you. And I'm just super, super excited about the fact that I have some glow-in-the-dark pens. Thank you if you've been listening to me ramble on. I hope you have a lovely rest of day. Take care, and I'll see you again soon on my channel. Bye.